Hello everyone, I am Devi Prasad Das. Welcome to my channel. I will try to bring you latest update on energy storage, advanced batteries and electric mobility. Indian battery industry is at interesting phase. Multiple global companies are entering this market. There are more than 10 companies are eyeing an Indian market for battery manufacturing. Today we will discuss about one of the world's largest electronics manufacturing company, Foxconn, which manufactures 70% of iPhone produced in a year. 1.4 million iPhones. Not only iPhone, also Google Pixel, Amazon Kindle, multiple electronics manufacturing facilities across the globe, including Taiwan, US, India, China, and other markets. Foxconn is not new to India. They have already more than 30 facilities in India, 9 manufacturing plants in India, already achieved more than $10 billion revenue from Indian market. Having planned to have more than 25 to 50% manufacturing capacity to shift India over the years. Today, Foxconn chairman announced to enter Indian market with electric vehicle manufacturing and battery storage manufacturing. Foxconn have already presence in Tamil Nadu from 2017, also have committed to Karnataka and Telangana. Let's discuss why Foxconn is interested in Indian market. Indian advanced battery storage market is at nascent stage. We have just saw the first gigafactory established by Ola Electric. We are expecting multiple gigafactories over the years, including leading companies like Exide, Amaras and others. 30 gigawatt hour PLI scheme has been announced, 20 is pending. We expect large companies to foreign companies will enter this manufacturing industry, and there will be more than 10 manufacturing facilities will come up in advanced battery space, majorly driven by lithium ion chemistries. Foxconn is not new to battery manufacturing. They have already established 1.2 gigawatt hour manufacturing capacity in Taiwan. They have already have a joint venture with Canadian company Blue Solutions for solid state batteries, which have a energy density of 400 watt hour per kg. They are eyeing both on electric vehicle, battery storage market in India. In the recent visit of Young Liu, chairman Foxconn to India, announced about this new entrance to establish battery storage facility in India. They have already announced to enter electric vehicle manufacturing in India last year, but it yet to see when the production will start or facility will start. Similarly, they had also announced to partner with Vedanta for the semiconductor manufacturing, but it has been pulled out. So with mixed expectations, we are always happy to see such global players to see Indian market and India as the new manufacturing hub for Southeast Asia. We are expecting more than 600 gigawatt hour demand from electric mobility and stationary storage in next 7 to 8 years in India. Considering this much of demand, there are multiple players are eyeing on Indian market both for battery and battery component manufacturing. Multiple electric vehicle companies also eyeing to enter Indian market, including VinFast from Vietnam, Tesla to India. Already BYD and others entered India. Indian conglomerates like Mahindra, Tata already have multiple models in Indian market. We have to see now Foxconn will establish its regular LFP manufacturing in India, or it will think about the solid state batteries through their partnership with Blue Solutions. We also have to see which state they will choose. Is it Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Telangana, or any other new state. We also have to see what will be the manufacturing capacity, for what purpose they will do for the internal EV, for their own EV production, or they want to sell to other EV players or battery storage for renewables. We expect Foxconn to start its manufacturing facilities soon and create multiple job opportunities in Indian energy storage market. Thanks for watching. I will try to bring latest updates on energy storage, advanced batteries and electric mobility in new episode. Please subscribe.